Hazrat Bara bin Azib radiyallahu anhu says Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam dispatched Hazrat Abdullah bin Atiq and Hazrat Abdullah bin Utaba accompanied by some men for killing Abu Rafi. So they set out and reached near the castle. So Hazrat Abdullah bin Atiq radiyallahu anhu said to his companions, "Stay here, I will go and see." He says, "While I was thinking how to deal with the gatekeeper and enter the fort, fortunately they lost their ass. So they, carrying light lamps, went out in search of it. I feared lest they should recognize me." He says that he put the garment on his head as if he were sitting to answer the call of nature. Then the gatekeeper called, "Come whosoever wishes so, otherwise I am going to close the gate." So I entered and hid in the stable of asses near the castle gate. They dined with Abu Rafi and continued chatting till late at night, and at last went to their houses when silence reigned all around and no motion was heard. I came out and I had seen the gatekeeper keeping the key in the recess in the wall. So I took the keys, opened the gate of the castle so that if they knew of me, I could escape easily. Then I bolted the doors of all the rooms of the castle from outside. Then I ascended towards Abu Rafi through the stairs to see the darkness in the house, for they had put out the lamp. I could not find where he was. So I called out, "O Abu Rafi." He said, "Who is it?" I proceeded towards the voice and struck him fatally. He started yelling and I could not achieve my aim. He says, I again went there pretending to be his helper and changing my voice said, "O Abu Rafi, what has happened to you?" He said, "It is amazing. Woe to you, mother. Someone has approached me and he has hit me with the sword." He says, I again headed towards him and hit him hard, but of no avail. He yelled and the members of his family also awoke. I, changing my voice again, went to him to help him and found him lying on his back. I placed the point of sword on his belly and exerted pressure on it till I heard the voice of the bones breaking. I then came out embarrassed and intended to descend by the stairs, but fell down and dislocated my foot. So I tied it tightly and rejoined my companions, moving slowly. Then I asked them to go to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and convey him this glad tidings, for I will not move until I hear the announcement of his death. When the dawn neared, the announcer announced the death of Abu Rafi. He says, I got up to proceed and did not even feel pain out of ecstasy and joined my companion. So before it that they reached the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I myself reached there and told him this glad tidings. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4040.